sync for me. Get in sync, same time. 10, come on, step, there you go. 1, good. 2, good. 3, come on. 4, good. All right, next grip. All right, 15, we going. Here we go, we up. Elbow to chin, we going, up. Elbow to chin, good. Come on, 2, again. 3, come on, let's eat. Again, 4, come on. Again, 5, up. Again, 6, come on. Again, 7, come on. Again, 8, come on. Again, 9, come on. Again, 10, give me 5. Again, come on, come on. 1, eat, let's go. 2, there you go. Breathe out. 3, 2 more, come on. 4, come on. All right, next grip, let's ride. Come on, we all right. Clean the plate.
Clean
the plate, let's go. We up. We up.
No.
We up.
Correction.
We up.
Correction.
We up.
They're Haitian. They gotta lick the plate, goddamn.
All right, let's go.
Lick the fucking plate.
1, come on. Come on. Again, 2.
Let's go.
3, good. Elbows down, bend that arm, keep them elbows still. 5. Come on, come on, give me some pretty form now. Come on, swing it up. Take 5 count. That was 1.
Fuck. Michel Placan, man.
That was 2.
Come on,
Like,
man.
clean up 7, okay? Take a 5 count. That was 3. Okay. It's just work. 1,004. All right, let's go get this last 7. Last 7, we move on. Close grip. All right, we go. Aye. We up. Aye. 7. Bend the arm. 6. Come on. All right, there you go. Bend them. 4. Come on. 3. Good. Come on. 2. Good. All right, let's take a 2-minute break. Good set.
Fuck.
Yeah. Good work. Good work.
This ain't no joke, bro.
Now, I done seen you in here 2 weeks in a row. I ain't seen you work like this.
Nah.